We also offer pleated blinds to fit various special-shaped windows, including triangular windows with a right angle. For the upper section, we recommend the P1741 model. To order this pleated blind as a custom-made product, you only need to determine the length of the two straight sides. The width corresponds to the horizontal side extending from the right angle. For installation in the glazing bead, measure the height of the vertical side extending from the right angle. Measure the dimensions of the window surface, including the rubber seal. Please note, however, that the glazing bead should be at least 2 centimeters deep for this type of installation. If you have angled glazing beads, we recommend ordering compensating wedges for mounting the clips at the same time. We hope you enjoy your new triangular pleated blind for many years to come.